Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am scrapping pictures of my daughter while we were strawberry picking the other day. These are two cut files that I use. One is this kind of together flourish. I did it on like a very light blue cardstock and then again on white. And then I have a pile of 3D butterflies to kind of stack up later and use on this layout. Now I wanted to get out my texture stuff. So here I am first playing with tools, seeing how it would look underneath the flowers, and I like it. But remember when I was at Hobby Lobby and I brought that other lace that looks like flowers? Oh yeah, I bust that out instead. Then I'm going to take the stencil though too, and we're going to add some white texture paste by Prima. Or actually it's Finnabar, which is also Prima. Here's that textured lace. And I remembered it and I was like, oh yeah, I'm using this. So busting out the texture today. And I do love the way this layout turned out. I'm not going to lie. It's very unusual for me, but you can see I'm testing it out, like the flowers from the lace on top, or do I like them underneath? And I definitely think I like them underneath instead. So then I pushed it to the side and start working on my texture base. So this is a stencil by Prima, and I forgot the name of it, but if I can find it, I'll leave it linked down below. And I'm using light modeling paste from Prima / Finnabar as well. Finnabar is Prima. I think Finnabar is like the Prima mixed media line, but Prima is still like the main line that holds it. So I'm just being very intentional with where I'm placing it, since you kind of saw my overall layout for it, that the pictures are going to go in a row up at the top and all of my decorative cut files down the middle. So I'm using this heart stencil, almost like a polka dot, but it's a baby heart with the same modeling paste. Then I'm taking this Adirondack in, I think it said iced something. It's a pale purple blue color, and I'm giving just a light wash of it on the top and down below. And in the pictures, it's hard because it looks like I should have not gone all the way to the edge, because then it just looks like the cardstock is light blue with no real white left once all of my layers and cut files are on it. But I still like the softness that this layout turns out to be. It's unusual for me to work in such pastel colors, but I do love the outcome of it. I'm not gonna lie. I have to start working in pastels more often, it seems. So I'm just deciding if I like the blue cut file underneath or the white underneath, and I decide with the blue underneath because I love the way the white of the floral stands out above it. In order to keep down this lace, I am using heavy matte gel. So this is like a technique I know I use, like we use matte gel to like as glue when you do a layer under paper and on top of it. So I thought it could get in all the grooves, and I left it kind of thick and like buttery underneath it. That way I knew it helps, will stay under and adhere this texture to it, because I didn't want to bring out my hot glue gun at all. Yeah, that was lazy me. So now I'm popping up this cut file on Fun Foam, and I took the time to kind of do little squares and such so that it's above it. That way it was kind of on the same level as the lace underneath it, but this one, no pop dots, just sticking it right on top, and I love how that pops right there. So then I love my photos. There are 3x4 photos, but I cut them all like a 1/4 inch of all of them, so they're a little bit more narrow, and then I matted them on just plain inexpensive white cardstock and decided to do a little spacer in between them, and I love the way that looks. I'm adding a little white doily behind it, and now I'm going to layer up these butterflies. So I do the 3 layers, and I interchange whether or not I have the blues or the white cardstock, and the variety does add more interest to the layout. And I love that they're dimensional, so you can fold up some of their wings. But I honestly take it even to another level with this paint that I'm about to show you. It's called glitter paint, I believe. I got it at Michael's, but I was just at Walmart, and I saw it at Walmart for like $2 less, and it's like chunky glitter gold paint. But let's be honest, it's not really paint. It's probably just like gel medium in there. But the gold flakes of gel, it's kind of like a nail polish topper. If you've ever done your nails, this is it. Oh my god. So I start just doing all the edges of the butterflies so that there's like gold flakes everywhere. The effect of this is OMG gorgeous. Do you see that right there? Oh my god. Like, I'm done with it, and I'm, like, in love. I was like, oh my god, I love this stuff. You gotta see it again. Go get you some. And they had them in other colors, too, but of course I get the gold. I mean, they had even, like, a iridescent one, which I probably have to go back and get. Purple, pink, green, red, blue. I mean, they had all the colors, and of course, I grabbed the gold first. So now I'm coming in with sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps. This is the I Heart Sequence Pack, and I chose it for the iridescent pieces, the butterfly pieces, and also the like tealy blue pieces as well. So I scatter them all over the layout as well, and I simply love it. I was going to use some of the new April Spring ones, but I didn't feel like they went really well with this collection, or this layout. So then my title I'm just grabbing is this gold metallic love. And I forgot what the thicker collection was. And then I'm just taking one little word sticker from this Maggie Home Willow Lane thicker pack. And it says like love this day or something. But it's in the blue color. And I just wanted something down below. I know it's kind of random now that I look at it. But it's okay. Then I water down some purple paint again and add some water. And I finish it off with some purple splatters everywhere. And I love this. I love the butterfly with the gold tips. Oh my god, so fun. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for joining me as always. Till next time, everyone. Bye.